that all of you are doing great. Well, what if there was a feature within your crypto exchange that we put the conditions that if the price goes at this level, we want to buy. What if the price does not go at this level but goes at this level? Then we want to buy at this price. Like if we had a way to script it out, at what point do we want to buy? At the same time, if we had a way to sell, that we want to sell at this particular price, but let's say the price, instead of going that direction, it is decreasing consistently. So rather than taking the loss, we want to sell at this price if it goes. Normally, we just simply put the buy order or sell order. That's where the stop limit comes into picture. This is how you can see the stop limit onto the Binance exchange, and I'm going to show you how does it actually works. Very, very easy. So first of all, we'll discuss the stop limit of the buy order. Let's say I have initiated this stop limit. Over here, the current price of Bitcoin is $20,248. But let's say I want to buy it really cheap, and I want to buy, let's say, I'm saying that if the price reaches at this level, 19,500, then you can place my order at 19,500. How much? Probably I want to buy 1 Bitcoin. This is the amount that will be charged. So my order will not be placed, and the moment the price reaches at this level, an order of this limit will be placed and my purchase will happen. But let's say I am sure that if the price reaches at this level, then I'm pretty sure that the price is even going to touch $19,000. So why should I not buy even cheaper? So what I'm doing over here is that the moment the price reaches at this level, 19,500, then place an order of $19,000 per Bitcoin. That means the amount of money that I need to pay is $19,000 for 1 Bitcoin. Fair enough, right? Now, coming on to the second stop feature, that is the OCO. In this case, there is a higher advanced script that we can place. Now, in this case, let's say I wanted to buy at $19,000, right? So I'm placing the order at $19,000. This is going to place one order at $19,000. But then I'm scared that maybe the price is going to increase rather than coming down to $19,000, which I'm waiting. It'll even cross $21,000, right? It is going to go to the moon, and I'll be left out. So then here comes the stop limit, that if it reaches, let's say, $21,000, then either I buy it immediately at $21,000 itself. How much? 1 Bitcoin. Or I'm sure that if it reaches $21,000, at least it will come back to $20,500. That means the 2 order will be placed over here. 2 conditions will be placed with the same amount of money, $20,500. It'll place the order for 2 orders, conditional orders. Number 1, buy the Bitcoin if the price directly reaches to $19,000. But then number 2 condition, if it'll check if the price reaches, before reaching $90,000, if it reaches $21,000, it is going to place an order for $20,500. That means the moment the Bitcoin price falls from 21,000 back to 20,500, it is going to purchase 1 Bitcoin, and it is going to cancel this order. And similarly, if it, let's say, directly reaches $90,000, it is going to cancel this order. So I have both the conditions. I'm safe in both the conditions. Right now, let's say I want to go to sleep, right? And I want to buy at $90,000, but I'm scared that maybe the price is going to never come to $90,000. It is going to shoot, right? So let's say I'm putting the risk, like if it reaches $20,500, then buy my Bitcoin for $20,500. And let's say I want to ensure that it might be spiking really fast, so I want to buy even at a higher price. So I'm putting at higher price, so anyways I'm going to buy, right? $10 more. So I'm putting both the conditions will be there. If the price reaches below, I'm buying cheaper. But let's say the price has crossed a certain resistance level, then I need to buy at this price only, and I can sleep peacefully. That is how the stop limit and OCO works. Now similarly, it works for the sell order. Let us now look for the sell order. Let's say I'm sure that the price is going to reach to $21,000, and the moment that it reaches $21,000, I even want to place the order at a higher level. Either I place it at $21,000 itself, it is going to sell it immediately, place an order at this price, or let's say I'm sure that if it reaches this level, then at least it is going to $21,500. So the moment the price reaches this point, it is going to place an order for 21,500. That means it is going to wait for the price to reach at this level and it is going to sell, right? But then here comes the advanced version, which is the OCO. At this price, let's say I want to sell it at $21,500, right? That's pretty fine because I'm waiting for the price to increase. But let's say something bad happens, the price never reaches this level and the price starts climbing down. Then I'm pretty sure that, okay, what if the price reaches $19,500? Do I want to just keep on riding down the wave, or I just want to sell it, right? Either I sell it in the profit, $21,500, or if the price reaches at this level, then either sell it at the same price, 19,500, or I'm pretty sure that the price will at least bounce till $20,000. So I would just want to just close my position because I do not want to take losses. So this will put both the conditions. What is going to happen if the price reaches this level? The order will be closed in a profit. If the price reaches this level, an order will be placed at this price, so that I just exited the moment the price reaches back at this place. That's fair enough, right? So this is how the stop limit and the OCO order works. By the way, guys, if you have not signed up to Binance yet, we would suggest all of you guys to sign up with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, and you can win one full Bitcoin recurring, like for the rest of your life. Every 1,000 referral, we are going to do a lucky draw, and we are going to give away one full Bitcoin. A short video to describe what is the offer. You just have to sign up, and you can see in the respective offer. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1,000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1,000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1,000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1,000 referral, 2,000 referral, 3,000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw. So I hope, guys, you found the video helpful. You saw the importance of a stop limit and stop OCO limit, and both the things, either in the case of buy or sell, we can place if and else limit, so we can cover our ground, that we do not miss out on the opportunities either ways, right? If the price reaches this level, do this. If the price reaches that level, do that. Pretty good feature within the Binance. So here I was at the spot location, and this is how it works. So thanks a lot for watching the video, and smash the like button if you liked it. Comment down below for any questions that you might have, and till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.